Peace to the God's reflection. Your genetics are being controlled through nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a branch of science and a genetic engineering tool devoted to manipulating atoms and molecules on a nanoscale level. But you might be asking, why is this important? The reason being is because, like Chief teaches us, on a microscopic level, the 50 trillions of cells that make up our bodies essentially consist and are made up of molecules and atoms. See, look, reflection. Science uses nanotechnology like CRISPR to modify genetic structures of the food that's on the shelves in the grocery store. They do this so that they can last longer in the store. You see the ordinary tomato? It got rotten fast. Fruit or vegetables shouldn't be lasting 2 months in the grocery store. Look at this one right here, the Flavor Saver tomato or tomato. This one right here has been used with CRISPR. The genes has been edited in this fruit so it lasts longer on the shelf. Now the problem with the method that science is using today, reflection, is that when you alter the DNA of the food that we intake, you actually change the molecular composition of it, causing it to no longer be organic, but actually a synthesized version of what it once was. So like Chief teaches us, when it comes to human beings intaking GMO foods or GMO beverages, what you are actually doing is altering the DNA or the mind of the being. And like the Most High Chief Babaji teaches us, DNA is the molecular blueprint for all living things, or the mind of God. And you are God. Once the DNA or your mind receives inorganic information for what you put inside your body, you alter your genetic makeup or your God body genes. You become one with that misinformation, inevitably leading to your mind or your thoughts being altered and your behavior not being the same no more. And we know that you are what you eat. And scientists like Dr. Bruce Lipton reminds us that modified microRNAs received through GMO foods doesn't get digested to be released through fecal matter. Those microRNAs or nanotechnology is actually indestructible. You can't freeze it out of food, you can't boil it out of food, or you can't cook it out of food. That genetic material is actually picked up by your gut and translated into your bloodstream and alters every piece of DNA inside every cell in your body. Hold on though. Not only that though, CRISPR or nanotechnology is actually being used in gene editing to make designer babies, to make new human beings. You gotta understand, reflection, everything in our environment is being genetically manipulated for it to be able to sustain an artificial environment. Pay attention, God. We at genetic warfare right now, man. Reflect the light from the Most High Chief Babaji. I love myself. Peace to the gods.